Take a good look. Just look at the black. I just want you to look at the black. You put a head, 2 feet, a body, 2 arms, and the head. See the way this is the I letter? One side it's the jack. The totality is the I. Okay? Above and below, if I would turn it sideways, would be the H. But just look at this part over here. Okay? Look at this, right? Do you understand what these are? Army stripes, 5 and 5. The Star of David, connected together multitudes of stars of David, in which this star is actually the creation of Rodin's coil. 1, okay, you can go over to 3, 3 over to 7, 7 all the way down to over here, okay, but that's not the way it's supposed to be done. I have to do that on paper to show you the proper way. Usually I go from 1 to 2 to 4 to 8 to 7 to 5, and that is binary. Rodin's coil is binary, right? When you create the other side, right? When you create the other side, this is your Star of David, except on this side it's 1, 2, 4. Let me get it bigger here. 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, and 5. And on the other side, it's, unless you flip this around, then go 1, 2 again, right? You go 1, but it's not. On this side, the numbers would be 3, 2, 6, 8, 9, and then 5. So this number and this number and this number and this number would be the same. The 1 would now be the 3. Well, in fact, the 2 is the same. Okay, let's do that again. The 1 and the 3 are the same. The 2 and the 2 come together. The 4 and the 6 come together. The 8 and the 8 come together. The 7 and the 9 come together, and the 5 and the 5 come together. So that's the way it looks. So this will be, if you add it, it becomes 1 or 0. If you add it, it becomes 7 or 2. If you add it, it becomes 7 or 0. If you add it, it becomes 1 or 2. If you add it, it becomes 4 or 0. If you add it, it becomes 4 or 2. So we get 202020, or we get 441771. Area space of the last president, 1771. The beginning and the end. If you multiply it, right? If you multiply it, you end up with 3, 4, 6, 1. We end up with 3, 4, 6, 1. Sorry, 3, 4, 6, 1. That's 64. 6 and 4. 63 would be 9, and 25 would be 7. We'd end up with this number here. So in this area over here, we'd end up with 643791. 643791. 64. When we add up these over here, 4 and 2 is 6. 643791. And we multiply it, we end up with 346197. So we end up with all the numbers coming back together. That's it. What the numbers do. That design over there, all the stars, Rodin's coil, the energy path, and man in the middle. Thank you for watching this video. See the way it creates this area space? That's it.